Hello, welcome to Academiq AI. Are you looking for inspiring ideas for your next science fair project? Yes. Do you also want to stand out with your science project? And I know that we all run out of ideas when we are in need, right? Because we want to stand out of the crowd. Yes. Well, this video is for you. I'll introduce you to the Science Fair Project Ideas tool, a tool designed specifically to provide a diverse range of captivating, engaging, and best project suggestions that cater to a variety of interests and grade levels. Well, to get started, you have to first find a segment named the Science Fair Project Ideas. Yes, once you find it, you have to click on it and then just some details like the year level. So let's say you are in class 6th. Yes. How many ideas are you looking for? Let's say, okay, 3 ideas. And what about the topic? You've got the topic to save Earth, right? And now you are curious that what should the project be about? You've got this tool, you've entered all your prompts. Now you will simply click on generate and you can relax and sit back because this tool is going to give you some fantastic ideas that you could never think of. All right, so here we are with 3 best ideas. First one being the eco-friendly water filtration system, the power of plants, indoor air quality study, and the third one being the compost experiment. Fantastic, isn't it? Yes, so you can use this tool to get the best ideas, the exciting science fair project ideas, which can spark curiosity and creativity. Thanks for watching. Try Science Fair Project Ideas tool today at Academiq AI and make your science fair experience unforgettable. Happy experimenting.